Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Maps offline. I am the Digital Nomad Coach, and this is where you get to learn all the hacks to travel, entrepreneurship, and tech. So let's get into the video. First off, make sure you have the Google Maps app downloaded in your phone, and when you do, open the application and let's get started. So first off, you want to make sure that you are putting in your hotel or wherever the location is so you can get access to this anytime without even any service. Next, you're going to get this rectangle to download the area of the map, so make sure your location is within the highlighted rectangle. Once you select the highlighted area, you're going to download the map, and you're going to wait until it's completely downloaded so that way you have access to it. Now, just to make sure that offline Google Maps work, I'm going to turn on airplane mode and turn off my Wi-Fi. And if you see the Google Maps working offline, then you are good to go and it should work whenever you have no service. Now, when you're done using the Google Maps offline, you want to make sure you delete it so it doesn't take up most of your phone space. So now click on your profile picture on the right-hand side. You're going to look for offline maps and click on that. When you get there, you're going to see your downloaded maps. Click the 3 dots on the side and now delete. And now you're done. So that's how you use Google Maps offline. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next videos. And thank you so much for watching.